First thing you want to do is take off the keychain. And once you do that, there's a little space right in here. And you just take a flathead screwdriver and put it in there and then twist. Once it's deep in there, you go ahead and twist it. And what it's going to do is going to pop open this outer shell. It's like a clam shell. And then opens up like so. And you can see that there's a seal around there. And then we can set this side down. And there's a battery in here, and it's quite a big, thick battery. And what you want to do is it basically just slides this way. And if you're going to get stuck and you can't slide it anymore, you want to try not to touch the circuit board. You take a non-metallic, something that's not going to conduct electricity, and you gently, push from behind like this until you can take it out with your hand. And it's a CR2450, CR2450 battery. And it's quite thick. It's a pretty big battery here. Then you take the new one, put it in there with the numbers and letters up, and then you push it in place. You can pretty much push it in place with your hand, no problem. But you don't want to be too overly aggressive with it because this top part is just barely soldered on there. So you don't want to, push with all your might. You just want to just slide it in place and then let it be. Now, you just basically push this together and it snaps in place. Try not to push the buttons on the other side, but just kind of snap it in place all the way around like so. And then you're all done. So it's fairly simple key system. Now you notice there's not a physical key on the inside of this fob. It comes with a separate key and a little cover like that. So you can carry it with you if you want to. But it's not necessary to use all the time. It's just there in case you need it. This particular key fob, it has this little space right here. So regular key rings kind of get jammed up in there. So it's not really the best design. I guess it's designed to use this leather strap with it. But yeah, I don't know. It just feels a little bit kind of flimsy and kind of larger than what it really needs to be. But anyways, that's how to change the battery. Thanks for watching. See you next time.